Good morning, Standard 8. I am going to continue chapter 3, tissue. Now I am going to explain you about the animal tissue, and the topic is connective tissue. So dear student, in this video I am going to give introduction about the connective tissue, what is connective tissue, characteristic of the connective tissue, and type of the connective tissue, dear student. So let us know about the connective tissue. Connective tissue which bind one tissue with another tissue, another tissue, and various organs. Keeping them in proper place. Proper place. So dear student, what is connective tissue? The tissue which bind one tissue with another tissue, and also various organ of our body, and keeping them in proper place. The tissue is known as a connective tissue, dear student. Connective tissue. Let us know what are the characteristics of the connective tissue. Characteristic of connective tissue. First is abundance intracellular substances or the matrix. Second is fewer cellular elements, and third fiber. These are the three characteristics of the connective tissue. So connective tissue used to consist of the abundance intracellular substances between them, or you can say the matrix. The matrix can be in the form of the liquid, in the form of the gel type, or in the form of the fiber. Also cellular elements and fiber. Let us know about the type of connective tissue, dear student. The type of the connective tissue are first, connective tissue proper. Second is supportive connective tissue. Supportive connective tissue. And third is fluid connective tissue. Fluid connective tissue. These are the three type of the connective tissue. Connective tissue proper, supportive connective tissue, and fluid connective tissue, dear student. So what is the main function of the connective tissue proper? The main function of the connective tissue proper to bind, packaging and binding, means to pack the organ and bind the organ so that the organ can remain in the proper place. Second is the supportive connective tissue, which serve to support the body. Dear student, we are able to stand due to the supportive connective tissue. It also protects our vital organs by the help of the supportive connective tissue. Fluid connective tissue mainly concerned for the transportation of the nutrient, gases, and also for the immunity of the body. So these are the three type of the connective tissue. Connective tissue proper, which serve for the packing and binding of the organs. Supportive connective tissue, which is to support our body and protect our internal organs. And the fluid connective tissue, which help in the transportation and immunity. So dear student, in this video I explained you about the introduction, only introduction about the connective tissue. What is connective tissue, characteristic of the connective tissue, and type of the connective tissue, dear student. So you read the topic and learn about the connective tissue and its characteristic and its type. In the next video I will explain you about the connective tissue proper and its type. Thank you, dear students.